Planet Earth, home to humankind. The only planet known to be able to sustain life. It's from here we'll start our journey to the planet Neptune, an ice giant located around 2.8 billion miles away from the Sun. As we go through space, we can get a scenic view of Mars. Mars is a terrestrial planet that's about half the size of Earth. Mars receives its red color from the rust and iron in its soil. After Mars, we'll have a scenic pass-through of the asteroid belt. Now we can see Saturn, the planet known for its 7 large rings. Saturn's days are only 10 hours long, and it is made out of hydrogen and helium. Now, I'll state a few basic facts about our destination. Neptune is considered the smallest of the ice giants, meaning it is a very cold planet with an average temperature of negative 390 degrees Fahrenheit. We are now beginning our descent into Neptune. Now you should have noticed on our way here, Neptune's vivid blue color. This is caused by the methane in the atmosphere. Neptune's atmosphere is dominantly made out of hydrogen, helium, and methane. It's truly beautiful, isn't it? There's no body of land here, just gaseous substances made of hydrogen. What you see outside is Neptune's version of steam. It is actually very hot because Neptune radiates heat from its core. It was always speculated that if there was an ocean, it would be very close to the core. Unfortunately, our ship is not a submarine, so we'll just have to do with flying close to the surface of the water. Well, since there's nowhere to land on Neptune, looks like it's time to head back home. We're thankful that you would take this exciting, groundbreaking journey with us, and let's hope to arrive home safely.